Managing staff on the school staff page. Inviting staff members. It's important to note that the admin app, which is the primary school app managed by the school's administrator, can perform all tasks of the teacher and bursar apps. The teacher and bursar apps are available to assist the admin in dividing tasks and reducing workload, thereby improving efficiency and accuracy. After all, Greynote was specifically designed to simplify school management. Here's how to create accounts for your school staff. Note that you can only invite class teachers and your bursar or bursars. Let's get started. Click on the Invite Staff link in the quick link box of the dashboard, or select the School Staff option on the sidebar menu to access the staff page. Then, use the Invite Staff button on the staff page. If you're inviting a teacher, click on the Invite a Teacher tab and fill in the relevant details, including an active and accurate email address, and specify the class you want the teacher to manage. The teacher will receive an invitation along with an OTP in the provided email. Class teachers are advised to watch the Teacher app playlist for guidance on registering and using the Teacher app. To invite a bursar, click on the bursar. Add the bursar's current and active email and send the invite. Bursars will receive an OTP along with an invite in the provided inbox. Bursars are to watch the Greynote Bursar playlist to learn what to do and how to use the Bursar app. Once your staff has accepted the invite and created their account, their details will be displayed on the school staff page.